was a beautiful garden with a garden. Gentle breeze from the beautiful flowers dancing. Butterflies and bees buzzing around the flowers. Birds loudly in the grove. Children are enjoying the beauty of nature. Let's see the play. What's next is going to happen? Wow, what a big tree! I want to become like this tree. Why I crying, little seed? I'm your silent friend. I will stay with you always and take good care of you. Thank you, soil uncle. Why I crying, little seed? I'm hungry. Look around in your seat. I'm sure your mother must have packed some food for you. Yes, uncle. My mother did. I love you, mummy.
What happened, baby? Why are you crying?
I am thirsty, uncle. Get some water.
Sure, baby. I am Ringan. I will give you water. Don't worry.
Thank you, Rainbow.
Hello, dear. Why are you crying? Don't worry. I am Sun God. I will give you warm up. You feel better.
Thank you, Sun God. Wow! What a beautiful garden! Nice waves from the flowers. I like to play in this garden.
Wow, what a breeze. My kite is flying high. Oh, I enjoy playing in this beautiful garden.
Oh, I can't able to breathe. Please, anyone help me. Something dropped on me. Please, God, please, anyone help me. Why are you doing this work?
Why are you laughing? It is the duty of every citizen to preserve and protect the environment. So we should keep it clean and it's our responsibility.
Thank you, Giant, you saved my life. If we want to save our Mother Earth, we should